Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to learn that how you can delete your Amazon Prime Video account. So without wasting any time, let's start our video. Make sure to watch the video till the end. So the first thing you need to do is to open your Prime Video application on your device. I'm using an iPad. You can do that on your mobile devices as well. Once you open the application, make sure that you're signed in to your account. Then tap on the profile icon at the top right corner. Once you tap on that one, you need to tap on the setting gear option here. Once you tap on that one, you will scroll down where you will find the account. You need to tap on that one. From here, as you can see, delete account. You need to tap on delete account and this window will open. They say close your Amazon account permanently. You need to read this carefully. You need to scroll down. Account closure is a permanent action. So if you want to delete your account permanently, just tap on here yes and then close my account. Tap on that one. I'm not going to do it, but if you tap on close my account, your account will be closed permanently. So guys, this is all it takes to delete your Amazon Prime Video account. If you liked the video, please subscribe to the channel. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care.